Pretty piece beds and almost kind of high def. See, these are the weeds that I will plan on planting. Ain't broke, don't need to fix it. Into the depths of the forest we go. Think we'll meet another hobbit? I'm about that size.
This time I put it.
You never know what you're gonna find in the woods. A beheaded crow. Do you think I'm camouflaged enough for outdoorsy walking? I might blend in the tropics. It's kind of annoying walking with somebody who's in a rush. Now, I, for one, actually like to enjoy the walk, but she seems to think it's the goal and not the journey. But thing is, I'm the one with the keys to the car. We're traveling back through time. Ooh. Vampires and zombies not allowed. Going into a new mysterious area we have never been and have some vague idea of what it actually is. So if you don't see me vlogging again, you'll know why. Nothing screams Mother Nature more than pipe. She makes it difficult to show you where I'm going, so I can show you where I've been. You know, you want to take a nice shot walking down the lovely nature. Skanky hoe ass just ruins the shot. Yeah, she was in camouflage, maybe it would work. But no, and she won't cooperate either. You ask her, get out of the shot. Well, what do you want to do that for? Da, 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 da. Why isn't there a lightning bolt when you want it? I don't know. Does New England have alligators or crocodiles? I don't know. Maybe we just have Loch Nesses. Is there like a name for the species of Loch Ness monster? I do not know. See? We do have one. Look, I found Nessie in New England, right between the trees. Do you see? Do you see? It's looking at me. Just been molested by a supersized poodle. Why do they always go for the cat people? Really? It's a path that goes up here. For years and years and years we've wondered where people go to walk beyond the dam. Now we know. I want to choose this path. She wants that one. Sissy. Is this a beaver dam? This seems like normal beaver habitat. I don't know. Chow time for the goats. Little baby goats. Either that or they're naked sheep. This is a special service announcement from the pig. Eat more chicken, oink. Anything you want to say to the people of YouTube? Ban peanut butter, not good for horses. Look, I did find a hobbit hole. Now, if there's any riders in black, you'll see me running shortly. So do you think those kids play on that toy? Pretty sure they do when we're not looking.